So what do you like to see in a home business presentation? I've been doing them for a while. I'm very transparent, and I'm looking to upgrade mine again to make it even better. And I love suggestions from other people. So put yourself in the headspace. You're looking at a presentation to decide if you want to get into this home business or not. And I want you to come at it from the point of view of, I'm looking for reasons why I would want to be in it, not from a point of view of, I'm looking for what's wrong with it so I can just dismiss it right away. I don't want that kind of feedback. I want the feedback where you're looking for reasons why you would want to get into it, and if you would see an opportunity for yourself. So tell me, you can do it via private message or in response to this thread. Do you like short presentations, long ones? Do you like maybe the beginning to be right to the point, right off the bat without even a greeting, and then maybe below that part go into more detail? Or do you prefer the key bullet points to be at the bottom, or maybe sprinkled throughout as it becomes relevant? Or do you prefer video? Do you prefer to read something? Or do you prefer to read something that has video embedded on it, or video only? Just tell me what you want to see in a presentation, coming from the point of view of, I'm looking for something that speaks to me that I would want to do this, rather than I'm looking for what's wrong with it. And also, if you want to see the current one that I've got running, I'm happy to send it to you. Maybe you can formulate your opinions and ideas based on that. And I'm looking forward to whatever feedback you guys want to give me. And don't be afraid to hurt my feelings. If it sucks, say it sucks, Tom. You need to redo the whole thing, but here's what I'd like to see. Okay? So keep it constructive. And that's all I've got for you. Feel free to share this with other people, because I want to get a lot of feedback on it. I'm also going to send this out to my newsletter subscribers too, and we'll see what happens. Okay? Bye for now.